Apple cider vinegar is a kitchen staple that has several impressive health benefits. It also has a ton of different beauty, household, and cooking uses. These include cleaning, washing hair, preserving food, and improving skin function. You can also use apple cider vinegar in all sorts of recipes, including salad dressings, soups, sauces, hot drinks, and more. Today's video will discuss 19 ways to use apple cider vinegar. 1. To lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is claimed to help people with diabetes manage their blood sugar levels. 2. To help you feel full. Apple cider vinegar is sometimes recommended as a weight loss aid. This is because it may help you feel full. 3. To preserve food. Just like other types of vinegar, apple cider vinegar is an effective preservative. 4. As a deodorizer. Apple cider vinegar is known to have antibacterial properties. You can try it out by mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar, with 1 part water to make a deodorizing spray. 5. To make an all-purpose cleaner. Mix 1 cup of water with half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and you'll have a natural all-purpose cleaner. 6. To soothe a sore throat. Gargling with apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for sore throats. If you try this at home, make sure you mix the vinegar with water before gargling. 7. To trap fruit flies. Simply pour some apple cider vinegar into a cup, add a few drops of dish soap, so that any trapped flies sink, and you're good to go. 8. To boil better eggs. Adding vinegar to the water you use to boil, or poach eggs can help you produce consistently good eggs. 9. As a marinade. Another way to use apple cider vinegar when cooking is to make a marinade. 10. To wash fruits and vegetables. For example, washing foods in vinegar has been shown to remove dangerous bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. 11. In the bath. For the same reasons people like using apple cider vinegar as a homemade facial toner, they also like using it in the bath. 12. As a hair rinse. Try mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 1 part water and pour the mixture over your hair. Leave it in for a few minutes before washing it out. 13. As a dandruff treatment. Massaging diluted apple cider vinegar into your scalp may help get rid of dandruff. 14. In a sauce. Apple cider vinegar can be a great ingredient for a tangy sauce for your food. Try adding it to tomato-based sauces to give them a fuller flavor. 15. In soup. Adding vinegar to soup can help bring its flavors to life. 16. As a weed killer. Another great use for apple cider vinegar is as a homemade weed killer. 17. In homemade cakes and candies. Apple cider vinegar is a popular flavor and texture enhancer in baking, especially when making vegan treats that can't include eggs. 18. In a hot drink. For an alternative to hot chocolate or warm tea, mix 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon honey and 2 tablespoons lemon juice into 12 ounces, 355 milliliters, hot water. 19. To treat acne. Dabbing small amounts of diluted apple cider vinegar onto pimples is anecdotally claimed to be a good way to get rid of them. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.